Well, they're saying that they found this new virus or some connections to this virus while sifting through some pig feces in Japan. These researchers saying that unlike most other organisms out there which fall under the definition of life, viruses that have no cells are always infecting things. They are merely a particle of genetic material, RNA or DNA, which is a protein shield that is capable of infecting a cell before it is replicated. So before the cell can replicate itself, it can infect it, and then if it starts to replicate, it's going to be replicating an infected cell. Now what they're saying is they've come across this virus which has defied everything that they thought that they knew about infectious agents. This virus that they found has no structural proteins. And they're saying that this makes it impossible for it to survive or to do what it does. So what they're thinking at this point is that this variant, this virus, they're saying that it has flanking genes, and that's all. And they think that it's hopping onto other viruses, letting the other viruses do the bulk of the lifting and all the heavy work, so to speak. Then it's making its move, showing that it's piggybacking off of others to get the job done, which is crazy. It's happening. So in trying to learn more about this and understand exactly how all this works, they've stumbled upon this and they can't seem to figure out exactly how it's doing what it does. So in the meantime, knowing this, what kind of new virus is going to pop up out there? Because usually a lot of these things are created long before we ever hear of them. They're made in a lab, and there's cures for them and all before they're ever even released. Not saying that that's the case here, but very interesting story nonetheless. I'll leave a link. Make sure to follow me on Twitter for breaking news, DLive for exclusive live streams, and hit that subscribe button here on YouTube to make sure that you're getting all the notifications for the videos we're kicking out. Because if not, well, as you can see here, they're taking away subs for what they're saying is spam and closed accounts. Make sure that you don't get caught up in the mess and get unsubscribed somehow, some way. Much love.